Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a mini album I made with my favorite spring, a paper collection from Echo Park. This is part of my paper stash smash. This mini album is 5.5 by 8.5 with a 2-inch spine. The cover I just cut a couple of duckies from the cut apart, added spring from the stickers, and all that is from stickers. I backed it on white paper and added it onto the top portion of the book. On the inside we've got a cut apart, there's a magnet underneath and that holds that, and then this will open like this. So that'll give you room for a 4x6 photo, even a 5x7, and then a couple of smaller pictures here or room to journal. So that'll go like that, and that stays closed. Here I've got a 4x6 cut apart that opens up that way, and here I have a sticker on some cardstock, and I just have it as a tuck spot. There is a hidden photo mat in this page. It is a top loading page. On the back of page 1, I've got just another 3x4 cut apart with this page with all the spring icons, and that stays shut, but it gives you room to put a photo underneath. And here there is a pocket and a couple of the cut aparts where you could add photos to the back of them or just add photos to the pocket. This page is a side loading pocket, and there is the photo mat. On the back of that is a side loading pocket on the page. Here's a cut apart, a couple of stickers on here, a couple of cut aparts. Here's another cut apart that comes up, and that gives you room to put a photo there. And here is that top loading photo mat in that hidden pocket page. The next page has room to put a photo there. I left the bees as the focus point, and then there's a couple of stickers here and here. Here is the hidden pocket page for inside page 4. And then on the back of page 4, here is a 4x4 cut apart. This will open, and then this will open, and this opens like that. These are open, so that gives you room to tuck a photo under here. They're popped up as well, so a little bit dimensional. Room here to put another photo or journal. And this will close like this. And then on the back of, or the inside back cover, there is this library style closure. This will open like that. And there is a good deep pocket with room to put more cut aparts or lots of photos or a journal, or if you want to keep track of your garden or even add some packets of seeds, which would be perfect with this gorgeous paper. Here's the back outside cover, the spine, and there we are back to the front. So this is part of the paper stash smash. I did say I was going to use this up. I have a little bit of paper left, so once I finish that, I'll show you what I've made. So I hope that inspires you to use papers that's in your stash. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.